Hey guys, Alvin here, and this is video 5 out of 10 of my George Bridgman anatomy drawing series I'm doing, and today's going to be the back chapter, so go ahead and grab your pencil and paper or tablet or whatever you're using to draw, and let's get started. So I'm going to do 6 back drawings. The first 3 are going to just show the major muscle groups, and then the last 3 are going to have a little bit more rendering. So you can see here all the major muscle groups, the trapezius right here, this whole thing going up to the back of the neck down here. It's like all one piece, and then this one you can see kind of the different sections, I guess, of the trapezius right here. And it goes all the way up to the head, and then the deltoids. You can see how everything moves. You know, everything moves a lot when you move your back around, so it's always a good idea to get reference when you're drawing backs, you know, or at least beginning, you know, drawing backs until you have all that stuff memorized. And so here's the latissimus dorsi muscle right here. It comes up to the bone right here, attaches down here, or all along here under the trapezius, and then the obliques here and the pelvis here. So you can see the latissimus dorsi under the trapezius, sections of the trapezius, deltoid, and obliques right here. The pelvis would be about here. I think that's it for those major muscle groups. Now I'll do a few, a little bit more rendered out illustrations.
Invincible.
So you can kind of see how the muscles fit together here and lay on top of each other and stuff. You can see the lat right here, the trapezius, deltoids. And you kind of see how they all fit together and how they look with a little bit more depth to them. You can see how the latissimus dorsi kind of wraps around the back and up under the deltoid muscle right here. Alright, that's it for the back video, so go ahead and go practice drawing some backs, and see you in the next video. It's going to be the arm chapter, so go ahead and get some practice in, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye.